Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, you will learn how to unlock or reset your phone without any passcode or computer. If you have forgotten your phone password, don't worry, we have solution for you. First of all, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Guys, to fix this phone problem, you have to need another phone. It can be Android phone or Apple phone, iPhone. In my case, I am using my second Android phone. First of all, open your phone browser. It will show a screen with sign in. Click on sign in. Here you have to put the same Apple ID. You have to sign in with the same Apple ID that was signed in on the phone with password you have forgotten. Like I am signing the same Apple ID that was logged in my this phone. So sign in with the Apple ID. So I have signed in with the same Apple ID that was signed in my this phone. It will show up menu icon. Click on it. Click on Find My. It will show a device list that are signed in with the same Apple ID. Click on your device. Click on Erase iPhone. Continue. Enter the Apple ID password to erase iPhone. Enter your Apple ID password. This is optional. You do not have put anything in this option. Just simply click on next. Just simply click on done. Erase started. Wait for a few seconds. So here we are. Your phone has started erasing. Now you can remove from this account. It will help you while set up this phone. So there is no need further this phone. Wait for a few minutes until your erasing completed. So here we are. Your phone has erased completely. Let me set up this phone. Simply select your language, select your country or region. Connect to a Wi-Fi network. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. So I will speed up all this function for not wasting your time. Welcome to iPhone. So your phone has erased completely and your phone has now unlocked Now you can use your phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If does, please leave a like and comment in comment section. Thank you for watching this video.